Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have the December Indie Lab nail polish swatch video for you. The organizers of the Indie Lab for the month of December sent me again all of the polishes from all the makers that are participating in this month's theme. Theme is weather report. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box. And this video will be the last one where I am showing you all the nail polishes that will be available, but I'm hoping to still bring you at least couple nail polishes each month to show you so that you know what to kind of expect from the Indie Lab. I really enjoy this kind of like polish pickup style online store where the makers create nail polishes based on the theme, and so far I think this is probably my most favorite out of the 3 months because the makers really did a great job with creating their polishes and colors, and I can't choose at all. I mean, every single one of these is really good, but you will see how they apply in the swatch portion, so definitely I hope that will help you out a little bit when you are making your decisions. Let me know which polish is your favorite out of the ones that I will show you today, and if you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will jump into the swatch portion now, but if you do have additional questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. And I think that's it. Hope you will enjoy. Everybody stay safe and have happy holidays. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
We running up, God lost my soul. so